So yes, here we are in Wiman Communication Technologies, Chennai, and we are with Mr. Suresh and Mr. Prakash, the founders of this company, and we have beautiful products here. So LoRa TCP converters, LoRa converters, and whatnot. So let's speak with them and let them explain what it is, so that we could get more exposure about this. Please.
Uh, Hi, my name is Suresh. We are manufacturing of IoT products. And the concept is collecting data, push to server. That like as a sensor data collecting and then push to cloud. So we are intermediate from the mechanical data to software. That's all. Mr. Prakash is for the sorry.
Uh, Thank you. Actually, we have a wide range of IoT products. These IoT products, what will do? It will collect the information from the sensors, like might be machines, PLCs, energy meters, flow meter, water meter. It will be like any kind of iOS or maybe a Modbus related devices. We collect the information directly, sending the data to the client server. That means the cloud. We are not providing any cloud solution kind of thing, but we are into mainly into the hardware manufacturing part. Okay, it will act as a bridging between the end devices and the cloud. Okay, so we have varieties of protocol methods. We can send the server, either maybe MQTT, HTTP, or TCP, and they can frame so different methods where we can device can send to two servers also. So, okay, different use cases. Okay, so like that. So you can choose like either Wi-Fi based or LAN based or 4G SIM card based. Okay, it will use based on your where you going to implement this. If it is a remote area, you have to go with SIM based devices. If you're in the campus, you have a network, that means maybe Wi-Fi or LAN, then you can use the LAN or Wi-Fi devices. So like that you can choose whatever the products you want, and that's it. Yeah. Application, we have varieties. For example, if you take in the metros and all those things, you are seeing that lifts, escalators, right? So those are monitoring. So we did projects for Johnson's and all those things. Okay. So like that, water metering. If you take Atikado Vavanashito for Coimbatore, so our device we given the device for that. Okay. So around 1,200 devices we given for them. Okay. So like that, we have many clients all over India. So we compared to South, we have many clients in North. So everything is remotely upgradable and we can configurable. So there is no any dependencies from our end. We will guide you how to configure and all those things. So only thing is we are not providing any solutions. Okay, with these hardwares you have to make your applications, dashboards, and all the things you have to take care. Okay, so that's the thing. Thank you.
So, people who use ESP32 or ESP8266, you guys may know that we need Wi-Fi to take our data and push it to some AWS or any Firebase. But these kind of modules, if there is one SIM card itself, we can directly push our data and store the data into AWS or Firebase. So this is a great initiative, and we can install these devices in many places, many remote areas, in whatnot. So where places there only Wi-Fi, that's not the matter. We can store the data wherever we want using these modules. So that's a great initiative, people. Yeah.
While we compare with things like a ESP32 and all those things, what is the difference with this all those things means? It's in rugged operations for industrial applications. If you want to run 24/7, okay, this kind of devices is very useful for that. So yeah, because our days are running on like a solar power plants. In that, their environment is totally different. We can't expect that they would know the temperatures and all those things totally different there. Okay, like that, it is running on RTOS based. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, that mainly. Yeah, yeah, these are all mainly industrial based products. Okay, so that's the main thing. The industrial application means you have to run the devices for 24/7. That's the main thing here. Okay. Okay.
So even I might need some products from them for my projects. Okay, that's a very good idea, a very good initiative. Because in industrial places, again, we can't expect Wi-Fi. The temperature seems to be very different there. So these kind of dedicated devices only to push data and store into any cloud services. That's a very great initiative. Thank you, people, for this wonderful products.